In the manufacturing area, maintenance activities have a fundamental role in ensuring process efficiency and delivering a final product with the required quality. Quite often, maintenance is handled without specific planning, looking at the needs of the moment only. Cefriel, Intact Centras, Technalia, and EGH, in collaboration with Novamera and Grupo Antolin, developed Ecosystem, an i4.0 solution to provide decision support information to the maintenance manager. Ecosystem integrates the information provided by 3 different modules. The information system provides all the maintenance-related information, like users' availability or warehouse status. Condition monitoring predicts the remaining useful life of the machines, and quality control inspects the product to find defects and anomalies. This decision support system elaborates these data sources to provide helpful suggestions to the maintenance manager. The suggestions are organized in 4 areas: schedule of the maintenance activities, operators' availability and machine status, and warehouse optimization. The benefits are machines downtime reduction, spare parts and tools usage optimization, accurate planning of operators' training. The solution has been tested in real context, thanks to Novamera plant availability.